Cinnamon rolls. Ingredients: dough, all-purpose flour 480 grams, milk warm 240 grams, sugar 50 grams, active dry yeast 7 grams, butter melted 75 grams, egg 50 grams, about 1 large egg, salt 5 grams. Cinnamon filling: butter, softened, 75 grams, brown sugar, 150 grams, ground cinnamon, 12 grams. Optional cream cheese icing: cream cheese, softened, 120 grams, butter, softened, 50 grams, powdered sugar, 120 grams, vanilla extract, 5 grams, milk, 15 to 30 grams, to adjust thickness. How to make it: warm the milk until it is warm, not hot. Add sugar and yeast, stir, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. In a large bowl, mix flour and salt. Add the yeast mixture, melted butter, and egg. Mix until a dough forms. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 1.5 hours until doubled in size. Mix softened butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon to make the filling. Roll the dough into a rectangle. Spread the filling evenly over the dough. Roll it up tightly and cut into 12 pieces. Place the rolls in a greased baking dish. Cover and let rise for 30 to 45 minutes. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until lightly golden. For icing, mix cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, vanilla, and a little milk until smooth. Spread over warm rolls and serve. Final touch: fresh, warm cinnamon rolls are best enjoyed straight from the oven. The soft dough, sweet cinnamon filling, and creamy icing come together to create a comforting and delicious treat. This recipe is simple, homemade, and perfect for sharing with family and friends. Thank you for your attention.